Hey everyone, this is Tuck950. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on some books. So let's get started. So if you read the title, which I'm assuming you have, you're obviously going to know that it is One Piece. Or hopefully, or this is going to be really kind of weird. But I just read One Piece Volume 12, and I was very impressed. I just man, I need more of this. And I came into some unexpected money, so I'm like, okay, I can't not get it. So I just picked it up. Here's volume 13. Looks pretty cool. But yeah, I'm starting to really get into One Piece. I'm really excited I can finally get to Chopper, I think his name is. But yeah, that's 15. The other 3 books should be this one. This is just kind of random video, sorry about that, guys. But here's 16. But yeah, it's getting really interesting. Which I'm really excited for volume 13 because my favorite character, Zolo or Zoro. I'm sorry, it says it 2 different ways in the books. It drives me crazy. But I think it's Zoro, I'm not sure. Correct me on that in the comments. Sorry, it's kind of funny. So this was a very, it's a One Piece unboxing, is it? Thanks for watching, guys. Let's go through them again. See ya.